Yeah, thumping noise while stopping. It looks like it's gonna need those drum bushes, the real ones. Look at this one. Totally done. Wow. Yeah, that will give you a lot of noise. Thumping noise while braking.